Stop. This is for you. Sometimes the heaviest burden is not what you're facing, it's the feeling that you're facing it alone. You've made dua, you've cried, you've waited, but nothing seems to change. And slowly, a thought enters your heart. Does Allah even hear me? But what if the silence is not rejection, but a form of divine awareness you don't yet understand? We think being heard means getting an immediate answer, but with Allah, being heard is deeper than that. He hears what is never spoken and understands what even you cannot explain to yourself. There are nights when you don't even have words, just heaviness, silence, and exhaustion. Yet nothing of that state is hidden from Him. Not your confusion, not your pain, not even the thoughts you feel guilty for thinking. When Prophet Ayyub, alayhis salam, was tested beyond what most people could imagine, he didn't turn away from Allah. He turned towards Him. And in that moment of patience and pain, Allah reminds us, indeed, adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful. Notice the tone. Not complaint, not despair, but turning to Allah, even in suffering. This is the heart of faith. Even when everything hurts, you still call on the most merciful. If something is delayed, it does not mean you are forgotten. Sometimes, what you are asking for requires a version of you that is still being built. And sometimes, what you want is being replaced with something you don't yet have the capacity to understand. Allah's timing is never random. It is precise, even when it feels confusing. So don't let waiting make you lose hope. Closed doors are not rejection, they are protection. You don't recognize yet. What is written for you will reach you, even if the entire world steps aside. And what is not meant for you will leave, even if you chase it endlessly. Your story is still unfolding, and it is being written by the one who never forgets. If this touched something inside you, then take it as a reminder that you are not unseen. Comment, Allah is with me, and share this with someone who feels alone in their struggle, because sometimes the answer is not immediate change, but unshakable trust. Stay blessed, always.